everyone, it's Joy from Artful Homemaking, and today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of our garden. This year we didn't get as much planted as we'd hoped to. We really love to have a very large organic garden. This year we just stuck with the 3 raised beds that we already had built about 6 or 7 years ago, and usually we fill them pretty full. This year we didn't even get them as full as we would like, but we do have some cucumbers that my kids planted from seed, and some peppers and some dill, and we have another raised bed that's full of tomato plants. We have cherry tomatoes and a medium-sized tomato, and then the larger tomatoes. And then we have another raised bed that has some sunflowers and zinnias that my kids planted. And then this year we did add 2 new raised beds, and we filled those with strawberries. We had some free lumber that was given to us by a family member, and my husband decided to create 2 new raised beds, and we did get some strawberries earlier this spring, and they were so delicious. And they haven't produced a ton of strawberries. My understanding is that if you can keep them alive, that years to come they will produce even more. So we're really looking forward to those, and we're going to try really hard to keep those happy and healthy so that we can have more strawberries next year. So let's head out to the garden and I will show you what we've got going on out there.
Oh, it's just my hand like that.
These are strawberries. These are cucumbers that my children planted this spring from seed. And we've had so many cucumbers off of these plants. So here's some tomatoes. enjoyed that quick garden tour and just seeing what we've got happening out there in our garden. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe. I make videos on creating a simple, natural, handmade home. I'd love for you to join us, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.